What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a full tutorial about how to use YouTube Studio Beta in smartphone. The tutorial I'm going to show you from my smartphone is because the YouTubers just have been started doesn't have a PC or laptop. They don't have a budget to buy a PC or laptop. Watch till the end so you understand everything. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. First you're gonna open a browser, and then in a browser you're gonna open YouTube, and you're gonna click at the top three dots button, and then you're gonna scroll down and click on click on desktop side. It's gonna open it in desktop side, and then you're gonna click on your channel icon and then click on YouTube Studio Beta, and then it's gonna take you to this page, and then you're gonna see your latest video, news and channel analytics. Here it's gonna show you how many views you got from your latest video, how many average view duration. This means how many people in how many minutes has been seen your video, and it's gonna show you what time minutes, how many what time minutes you got from this video. You're gonna scroll down and click on go to video analytics. Here it's gonna show you how many views, watch time minutes and subscribers and view estimated revenue you got from your latest video. You're gonna go back, and then you're gonna see news. Here it's gonna give you latest news about YouTube Beta Studio. And next you're gonna see channel analytics. Here it's gonna show you how many subscribers you got in total, how many views and what time minutes you got in last 28 days. And here it's gonna show your top videos, and then it's gonna show your recent subscriber. This means how many people has been recently subscribed to you. And you're gonna scroll down and click on videos. Here it's gonna show your latest of all the videos you have been uploaded. You're gonna select a video, and you can edit a video after uploading. You can edit a title video, a description. You can add a thumbnail after uploading, and you can also add card and skin and playlist, and you can also get your video link. We're just gonna leave this. We're gonna go back, and you can, if I click here, I can even edit I can select two videos and I can edit it together. And we're gonna go back again, and then now we're gonna see how to see your watch time hours. For this you're gonna scroll down and click on the search icon. Here you're gonna click on here you have to click on translation and transcription. I'm just gonna give it a load. Yep. And then it's gonna take you to here. You're gonna go back twice. If you click directly on monetization, it's not gonna open. And then here it's gonna take you to a page, and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see your watch time hours you got in previously 12 months and your subscribers. So we're gonna go back, and now we're gonna see how to hide our YouTube subscribers. For this you're gonna click at the setting icon, and then you're gonna click on channel, and then click on advanced setting. Scroll down and you're gonna click on the tick, and the tick gonna be removed, and you're just gonna click on save, and it's done. And one more thing, I know you can't see your status and features. YouTube has not been put status and feature in YouTube Studio Beta. It's gonna be here soon. And thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get my new video notification. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.